Hey everyone! In this video we will show you how to use the pen tool in VIVE Sync. The pen tool allows you to draw and write in 3D space, perfect for marking up 3D content or brainstorming new ideas from scratch. First, open the Sync menu and select the pen tool. With the pen tool selected, press and hold the trigger to draw and release to stop. The Options menu allows you to select from preset colors or select a custom color from the color wheel. You can also toggle on and off the eraser. To erase a line, touch it with the eraser and pull the trigger. You can quickly erase multiple lines by pressing and holding the trigger, then touching the lines you want to erase. I think that's it. Enjoy the pen tool in VIVE Sync.